Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are perfectly fine and doing your studies at your home. Students, this is Saumitri Yadav, Assistant Teacher of LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I welcome you all in our new online video class. Students, I am here with a new online video class in which we will discuss the remaining part of the exercise. So students, firstly I will remind you once again that in the previous video lecture we have done some exercises of your chapter, and these were the exercise of question number A and also the exercise number B. Okay, these are the exercises which are going on in the recent days. So students, now we will discuss the remaining question answers of question number B. पिछली वीडियो में हम लोगों ने सिर्फ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 किया था, वेयर वॉज द पैलेस, हाउ वॉज इट केप्ट वार्म। इस क्वेश्चन को आपने अपनी CW कॉपी में राइट किया था, बट आज की वीडियो में हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 and also question number 3. Okay, we will discuss both these questions. Now students, firstly I will remind you once again that you will firstly mention CW in your CW copy, and also you will mention the date of today, and after that you will write the question number 2. Okay, in the previous video lecture we have done the question number 1. Okay, now in this video we will discuss the question number 2 and also we will discuss the question number 3. So let's start. So firstly students, we will revise the question answer which we had learned in the previous video lectures. पहले हम लोग जो प्रीवियस वीडियो लेक्चर्स में क्वेश्चन आंसर करवाए थे वो उन क्वेश्चन को हम लोग रिवाइज करेंगे. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. So first question is about the statement. Okay, you have given two statements in the question number 1 and second statement is in the question number 2. Okay, in these statements you have given three questions: question number A, question number B and question number C, and also question number A, B, C is given in question number 2. ओके, एक स्टेटमेंट से आपको थ्री क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं. फर्स्टली यू विल रीड द स्टेटमेंट. आप पहले स्टेटमेंट रीड करेंगे, आफ्टर दैट यू विल राइट द क्वेश्चन एंड देन यू विल आंसर द गिवन क्वेश्चन. ओके, जो क्वेश्चन पूछा गया उसका आप आंसर देंगे. सो व्हाट इज द स्टेटमेंट? Go down the hill road. If you see fire burning in a house, go inside and ask for some embers to bring back to the palace. This is the question number 1. Okay. The king ordered the messenger. King ने messenger को order दिया था. What is the order? The order is go down the hill road. हिल रोड से नीचे जाना. If you see fire burning in a house, अगर तुम्हें किसी घर में बर्निंग फायर दिखाई देता है, सो यू विल गो इनसाइड, तुम अंदर जाओगे, एंड आस्क फॉर सम एम्बर्स टू ब्रिंग बैक टू द पैलेस. सो आफ्टर द स्टेटमेंट वी विल डू द क्वेश्चन आंसर. व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर ए? क्वेश्चन नंबर ए इज हु सेड दीज वर्ड्स एंड टू whom. So the right answer is the king said these words and to whom? To his messenger. Okay. Now the question number B is what made the speaker say these words? Answer is everyone in the palace was freezing. पैलेस के सभी लोग जो थे वो फ्रीज हो रहे थे. That's why the king made the speaker made the speaker say these words. Okay, everyone in the palace were freezing, so that the speaker say this word. Okay, now the question number C is what did the listener do next? इसके बाद से listener ने क्या किया? The listener went down the hill road to bring embers. Okay, now the question number 2 is we realized that this was because selfless love and had come with the coal from the little girl's cottage. This is a statement. Okay, and what is the statement? स्टेटमेंट ये है कि उन्होंने रियलाइज़ किया कि दिस वाज बिकॉज, ये किसकी वजह से था? बिकॉज ऑफ सेल्फलेस लव हैड कम विद द कोल फ्रॉम द लिटिल गर्ल्स कॉटेज। जो लिटिल गर्ल के कॉटेज से सेल्फलेस लव था, मीन्स जो कोल था, बिना किसी कंडीशन के जो कोल था, उसकी वजह से जो है ये बर्निंग फायर दोबारा स्टार्ट हो गई है। नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज गिवन टू यू। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु आर दे? यू कैन सी दे वर्ड इन द गिवन क्वेश्चन. They word, they is given in the given statement. So who are they in the above lines? ये lines जो आपको दी गई उसमें they word किसको रेफर कर रहा है? So the answer is there are the people of palace in the above lines. Okay, now the second question is what does selfless love refer to? Selfless love refers to the help others selflessly. Okay, now the question number C is who has shown selfless love and how? The little girl had shown selfless love by giving embers to the messenger without any condition. Okay, so who had shown the selfless love? The little girl had shown selfless love. Okay, now we will discuss the question number B. We will discuss the question number B. What is the question number B? Answer these questions. So first question is where was the palace and how was it kept warm? So the answer is the palace was at the top of a hill. It was kept warm by a burning fire. What is the answer? The palace was at the top of a hill. It was kept warm by a burning fire. So these were the questions which we had discussed in the previous video lecture. ये सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर हमने प्रीवियस वीडियो लेक्चर में डिस्कस किया था. Now we will discuss the answer of question number 2 and also the question number 3. Okay, so what is the question number 2? Question number 2 is what reasons did the people give for the fire dying out? What reason did the people give? कौन कौन से ऐसे रीज़न थे जो लोगों ने दिए थे किसके लिए? For the fire dying out, जो फायर बुझ गई थी, वो स्टॉप बर्निंग हो गई थी, उसके क्या क्या रीज़न दिए गए थे लोगों के द्वारा, उसको आपको राइट करना है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इन द बिगनिंग, एट द बिगनिंग ऑफ द स्टोरी, मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था, एट द बिगनिंग ऑफ द स्टोरी आई हैव टोल्ड यू द 2 रीजन्स ऑफ स्टॉप्ड बर्निंग फायर. ओके, जो फायर बर्न करना बंद हो गई थी उसके मैंने आपको 2 रीज़न बताए थे. सो विच आर द 2 रीज़न आई हैव टोल्ड यू? सो द फर्स्ट रीज़न इज़ द क्वारलिंग. फर्स्ट रीज़न इज़ द QUARRELLING. फर्स्ट रीज़न इज़ क्वारलिंग एंड द सेकेंड रीज़न वॉज विंटर. ओके, विंटर सीज़न, जो उस सीज़न में जो विंटर पड़ रही थी उसकी वजह से लोग जो थे, लोगों ने ये आइडिया लगाया था कि दीज 2 आर द रीज़न रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द स्टॉपिंग फायर. ओके, सो द आंसर इज द पीपल गेव रीजन्स ऑफ क्वारलिंग एंड विंटर फॉर द फायर डाइंग आउट. So what is the answer? The people gave reasons of quarreling and winter for the fire dying out. So which 2 reasons are? First is quarreling and second is winter. Students, you have to learn 2 words. First one is quarreling and second one is winter. The people gave reasons of quarreling and winter for the fire dying out. Now the third question is what did the girl say and when the messenger knocked on her door? What is the question, students? What did the girl say and do when the messenger knocked on her door? So the answer is the little girl said the messenger that he could have as much as coal he wanted. Okay, little girl ने क्या कहा था कि the messenger that he could have as much as coal he wanted, कि वो as much as जितना कोल वो चाहता है उतना कोल वो ले सकता है. Okay, the little girl said the messenger that he could have. Okay, he could have as much as coal he wanted. Okay, and do when the messenger knocked on a door, और क्या किया था? She had also offered him a bowl of porridge. Okay, she had also offered him a bowl of porridge. So the answer is the little girl said the messenger that he could have as much as coal he wanted. She had also offered him a bowl of porridge. So that's it for today students. Now we will discuss the question number 2 and question number 3 again. हम लोग दोबारा इसे डिस्कस करेंगे so that you can easily remember it. Okay. Now the second question is, what reason did the people give for the fire dying out? कौन कौन से ऐसे रीजन है जो लोगों ने दिए थे जो कि फायर डाइंग आउट हो गई थी, वो स्टॉप हो गई थी, उसके क्या क्या रीज़न दिए गए थे? The people gave reasons of quarreling and winter for the fire dying out. Okay, the people gave reasons of quarreling and winter for the fire dying out. So this was the question number 2 which we had discussed. Now the question number 3 is, what did the girl say and do when the messenger knocked on her door? So what is the answer? The little girl said the messenger that he could have as much as coal he wanted. She had also offered him a bowl of porridge. Okay, now students, we had revised all the question answer which we had taught in today's video lecture. Now students, what is the homework? What is the homework? Homework is, firstly, you have to learn all the questions. Okay, all the questions which are given in your chapter number 2, you will learn all the question answer. And second homework is, you will write all the question answer in fair copy. Okay, firstly you will learn all the question answer from your CW copy, and then you will write all the question answer in your fair copy. So that's it for today students. We will meet tomorrow in the new online video class. Till then you will learn and write all the question answer in your fair copy. Thank you students.